We stayed at the Royal Sonesta Hotel in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I want to give you my thoughts. So we just got here to the Royal Sonesta in San Juan, Puerto Rico. It actually reminds us a bunch of a Hilton room a little bit. This is what 32 hours of travel looks like. It's great. Check-in is pretty much at 4. We got here at about 2 o'clock, which means that we had to wait. So we went downstairs, had a beer, had a little bit of food. The view, obviously, the best part. What are these ones down here? I don't know what those are. But lots of pools.
They probably are on both sides.
Oh, were those cabanas? Ah, that makes sense.
Or whatever.
We have our own private beach too. I'll show you that tomorrow. I'll show you the bathroom. I did not show you that. No bathtub. The original name of the Royal Sonesta San Juan was the Intercontinental. It was built in 1950 and underwent renovations after the 2017 hurricane. The Royal Sonesta is located in San Juan's Isla Verde neighborhood. It took us only about 5 minutes to and from the airport, and you can do so by taxi or Uber. A recommendation I have for you: for some reason the hotel never came up in our Uber app, so we just used the Ruth's Chris as our pickup and drop-off location. The Royal Sonesta Hotel San Juan offers a range of amenities, including a beautiful beachfront location, multiple restaurants and bars, a spa, swimming pools, and extensive meeting and event facilities. The hotel also has some of the most amazing views of the Atlantic Ocean and, of course, the surrounding landscape as well. This hotel was pretty amazing, although our vacation was pretty quick, just about 3 days. It's a perfect hotel if you're planning a trip to San Juan, Puerto Rico.